What's up, coconuts? It's me, Leah. It has been a minute, actually almost a year since I said that. 2019 was an incredibly difficult year, I think for a lot of people. And then 2020 happened and I thought, oh, well, this is gonna be like a brand new year and everything's just gonna be like lickety split. And things just kept getting like worse and worse and weirder. And now here we are in this coronavirus and COVID-19 pandemic. So I am currently, as of yesterday, working from home. So we are like right in the thick of this pandemic right now. It's freaking wild. Guys, it is Friday, March 20th. I just went out to run a few quick errands, just honestly keeping my distance from everybody, but it is so weird out there. It's super light traffic. The Good Life is closed. Like the parking lot was completely empty. It was super weird. Everything, like at the grocery store, at the Safeway that I went to, is like limit 2 flour, limit 1 toilet paper, both of which everything was already all sold out anyway. Same with the milk. I went to Sally Beauty because my hair is super like yellow and needs toning like crazy, which is like a huge part of the reason I did this whole ACV rinse to begin with, was just to kind of prepare my hair and get it like gunk free for my next lightning expedition. And so I was like, if I'm gonna be home for X amount of time coming up, I need some supplies. But yeah, shit is real right now. So just, yeah, stay healthy, stay happy, stay home. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go mix it together. Most of the recipes that I saw, it say like, start with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 16 ounces of water. So that's what we're gonna do. I do have a lot of hair. It's long and thick. But I am just gonna start with 2 tablespoons. Gosh, that smells really strong. And they do say to use cool water when you're rinsing it. So I'm gonna go into the shower, shampoo, rinse it, and then pour this over my water. They say pour this over my water. Okay, okay. I've got my mix here. They say shampoo, rinse your hair out, and then like lean back for sure because you don't want to get it in your eyes. Really burn a little bit. Like I said, lean back, you don't want to get it in your eyes, pour it back. Once I did say to leave it on for like 10 minutes and then condition, I was like, I don't really like getting out of the shower and like doing something else and then having to rinse my hair after. So I'll probably just like shampoo my hair quickly, do that right away, do the rest of my shower stuff, like shave everything, wash everything, you know, the whole thing. And then rinse it out probably like 5 minutes later. My hair's not super dirty right now. But the main point of why I want to do this is because I don't know if anybody else has this, but like back here, I always get like a stupid cowlick from when my brother threw a rock on my head when I was like 3. But I have so much heat here, and I always say it's because like my big old brain's just cooking up ideas all the time, but that's probably not true. But anyway, I don't know why that is, but it's always hot and it's always like the most difficult to keep straight. Like I have naturally curly hair and I've talked to other people with curly hair and they're like, yes, the back of the hair is always the most difficult to keep straight. And I don't know if it's just because there's more heat back there that it just, I have no idea. I don't know what's going on. So that was really good timing. The dryer just stopped. Okay, so I just wanted to pop on here super quickly. I got out of the shower probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes or half an hour ago. So my hair is partially dry, but I wanted to mention really quickly that I noticed a difference, or I noticed like my hair feeling better in the shower already. I probably only left it on for about 5 minutes because I had done like all my shaving and everything yesterday, so I didn't have a whole lot to do in there today, and I don't like to just stand there and waste water, not my jam. Yeah, it was a noticeable difference when I was in the shower, and even now, like immediately after, like my hair just feels better. It just feels better. So I'm like super stoked, super stoked. Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop on really quickly and just kind of reiterate how freaking impressed I am with this rinse. Like normally at this point, my hair is now 100% dry, 97% dry. And normally it looks kind of like this, but it's not so fluffy and light feeling. Like I said, I haven't used a clarifying shampoo in a really, really long time. And the reason I did was because it was feeling like gummy and gunked up. it felt like it needed a deep clean, and this is exactly what it feels like I've given it now. Like, it's, like I said, it's honestly just light and fluffy. It does feel a little bit more on the dry side. I did dip the ends of my hair into the rest of the mix just to kind of get, you know, it all over, because I was pouring, and I thought, oh, it's not getting all the way to the end, so I dipped it in. I won't do that next time just because it is feeling a little bit drier, but it's just like a little bit poofier than normal, which for me, I normally have poofy hair, but not normally after I wash it right away. If anyone has like thick or long, heavy hair like me, day one after you wash it, like, it's usually pretty flat because it's so clean and it's just like, but like day 2, 3, it gets a little bit dirty and a little bit zhuzh, and that's like so much better. But anyway, so like I said, just wanted to pop on really quick, even though this is not been super quick, and just say, like, even at this stage, before I've straightened it or like done anything actually to it to make it look nice, I'm impressed with it already. So cool. All right, so it is the next day. Hair's been dry now for, I don't know, almost like 24 hours. And I went to work and everything this morning, and it looked kind of cute when I had it pulled up. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave it up. And I didn't like straighten it and make it like look exactly how it was in the before. So my bad for that. But I think just as a comparison, I'll just pull my hair out now, obviously. If there's like a bump in there, just please excuse. Just given that one rinse yesterday, I will 100% not only like incorporate this probably into my weekly routine. That might be too much, might be too drying. I did notice that this was kind of drying, and I won't like dip my hair into the solution again. I'll just pour it from the top because that's where I need it the most. That's where it's the most oily. That's where it's the most dirty. That's where I'm always touching it and putting like my oils from my hands in there. So just something to take note. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or if you just have anything to share, that would be awesome. So I hope everybody is having a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. Aloha.